Let's get ready to decorate for Memorial Day and 4th of July. Still work in progress. Hi. Hi. That's so funny. Decorating the house is done and some time has passed. I have had lunch with Mom, we watched a couple YouTube videos, and I have really been wanting to make some Rice Krispies because I was reached out to by Sweeze and they wanted to have me choose an item from their collection to send me, and I decided to pick up this butter dish because our kitchen, I'll actually show you, look at our plates and bowls and cups and things. We definitely have a navy kind of cobalt blue and turquoise theme going on. So I saw that they had this in this navy and it's absolutely perfect. So keeping our butter in there, and I'm going to use that as well as all of these ingredients. We're going to whip up these salted brown butter Rice Krispie treats. So we need 4 ounces or a stick of unsalted butter, 1 10-ounce bag of marshmallows, 1/4 teaspoon of coarse sea salt that I already measured and put in this little 1/4 cup measuring cup, and 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. So I've got all my ingredients out and ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. 10 years later.
I'm just kidding. It just take a long time.
I don't know why. I didn't have it up high enough, I suppose. Oh, good. And the marshmallows are all sticking together. There we go.
20 degrees. They are all sticking together.
Yeah. Woohoo! Marshmallow party!
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do that so I can stir. Can you do that one-handed?
Yeah. I was trying. I was waiting for you to let go.
Oh, sorry.
There we go.
Almost feel like.
Those. And then I wanted to do these.